Are you installing your UPPAbaby Snug Seat the wrong way? Flushed face emoji. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact step-by-step method to install it safely and securely, so your baby rides comfortably and protected every time. To install the UPPAbaby Infant Snug Seat, remove the car seat harness pads, place the liner into the seat, and thread the crotch buckle through the lowest slot. Use the wedge and head support for infants 0 to 3 months, then remove them for older babies. Ensure the harness fits snugly without gaps. Here some installation steps. Snug seat insert. Prepare the seat. Remove the existing shoulder pads from your UPPAbaby MESA infant car seat, as they can interfere with the snug seat's fit. Position the liner. Place the snug seat liner into the car seat, aligning the top of the liner with the top of the seat. Thread buckles. Pull the crotch buckle through the lowest slot in the liner and ensure the harness straps come through the correct shoulder slots. Add support. For newborns, 0 to 3 months, ensure both the wedge and head support are installed. Adjust for age. Once your baby is 4+ months, or can sit up unassisted, remove the wedge and head support to use it as a standard comfort liner. Check fit. Ensure the crotch buckle sits flat against the child with no slack, and the harness is snug.